Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to delete a Facebook post. Why would you want to know how to delete a Facebook post? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to delete a Facebook post. So today I am going to show you how to delete a Facebook post. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting a Facebook post is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will delete a Facebook post. First of all, open Facebook app in your device and now click on three lines in the right top corner. And then in this new screen, click on your profile. Now first scroll down this page and then select any post you want to delete. Now click on three dots and then click on move to trash, and your post will be deleted within next 30 days. And now click on move and now click go to trash, and then you can delete your post now by clicking on delete button, and your post has been deleted. So there you go. If you were wondering how to delete a Facebook post, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.